What's good, Banks family? Welcome back to the 31-day Halloween nail challenge. Today is day 20, big 20. And today we will be doing some black bone nails. Yeah, black bone nails. First things first, we gotta make sure our hand is situated right. Can't have none of them crooked, you know what I'm saying, bow-legged old fingers, man. But look, you know what I'm saying? Hope everybody doing good out there. Hope everybody in great spirits, man. First things first, we're gonna get our paint together. The top coat gonna be black. And this nail hydrator, we gotta lace that on our nails first. Make sure everything be shiny and pretty, whatever. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, you know what I'm saying? Put your notification bell, you know what I'm saying? So you can get everything that's gonna be coming up, you know what I'm saying, that's coming to you soon in the near future. But yeah, let's put this black on, man. Make sure you get right before your cuticles. You don't want them old dookie hands, so you gotta make sure you get this on, you know what I'm saying? You gotta you gotta make sure you put that light, cause you don't want that old dookie crumbs all on your nails or nah. Gotta make sure you put that light on now. Yeah, on to the next nail. But how y'all doing today out there, man? You know what I'm saying? Halloween coming up. What y'all gonna be for Halloween? Drop it in the comments what y'all gonna be for Halloween. What's y'all favorite Halloween movie? And I hope y'all ain't out there eating them nasty ass candy corns, man. But look, I'm gonna be Yoda for Halloween, dressed in my spacesuit. I don't know if y'all kept. I was just letting you know. You probably get a little vlog of us cutting up in the honey houses and stuff like that. It's gonna be lit, man. But make sure you know what I'm saying, get this black on your nails right. Get it right. Do it right. Don't be putting it there, you know what I'm saying? Even if you do get it on your cuticles, go get that what you call that? Some acetone. Put the acetone in the acetone, gonna get it gone. For real. That's so I couldn't do this, but shit. Salute to my baby. Y'all like that, huh? Yeah, I know y'all like that. It's so soothing to the eyes. Last nail, man, last nail. Okay, you see it. Fine lines, everything shining and glossy. So I guess it's time to add the design. Oh, yeah, it's time to add the design. Gonna get your little paint out, put it in your little platter, whatever, like a paint, I don't know, whatever you call it, a canvas holder or whatever. But yeah, get that little dip going on. I don't know what this is, a needle pen, a needle painter, or whatever you call that. But we're gonna start with this little needle gun. You gotta put your pinky like that, like when you sipping your tea, you gotta hold your pinky out. But yeah, just the nails. We're gonna start with a little dot. We playing connect the dots today. Start with the dot. What the hell? But I don't know, what is this? Look like a ball sack, or I don't know what it is, but look, we gonna make this little ball right here. Yeah, make another one. Make sure you connect it. Oh, this look like a penis. No, something like, right, you show this a bone, babe. But yeah, we're gonna connect it, shade it in. Make sure you putting all thin droppings of this paint, because you don't want your stuff to be clumpy and ugly and none of that. Yeah, I don't know what the hell that she putting it goddamn. This bone look circumcised. Oh my God. And she throwing too. Now what this supposed to be? It look like a Y. It's there you sending signals. At ANYLAH BANKS, go follow my baby on Instagram. Follow her on all platforms, Facebook, all that. Make sure you like, subscribe. I can't tell y'all this enough. Make sure you like and subscribe. And leave a comment. Let us know what's going on, what you want to see next. You know what I'm saying? How y'all doing, man? Just drop a comment. Help my baby China out and everything that she I don't know what all this is, but everything that she's putting on these nails, etc., is gonna be in the description box. So I don't know. Probably can find it on Amazon, eBay. I don't know, but you gonna find it. She gonna make sure you find it. But god dang, back to these goddamn penises. Oh my god, bruh. So we back, man. We back. Yeah. Make sure you make it look realistic, bro. You gotta do it right. If you're gonna do it, you gotta do it right. Don't no half stepping, none of that. Take your time, no rush it. And make sure everything laid out right. You don't want to be going up to nobody showing them your nails and the shit be looking like goddamn who did it and why. Nah, we're gonna make it do what it do. Come back with your second coat. Make sure everything fine, just like aged wine. How that look? Look good? On to the next. On to the next. Start with the top. Start like subscribe, and knock that notification bell. Come down with it. Ooh, hit that circle. Come back in traffic. Hit that UE again. Yes, sir. I see where she going now, so I guess the other bone probably be stuck in your hand or something. I don't know. Like a chicken finger to me. Look like goddamn. Y'all ever broke a drumstick and seen a drumstick? How the bone look from a drumstick? That's how that shit looking right now. So I don't know if this dog bones, chicken bones. I don't know, herringbone. I don't know. Giving me mixed signals right here though sometime. Okay. So basically, I see an easy way for you guys to figure it out. So you can draw a heart, two hearts, start with two hearts. Then you make two lines, connect them two lines to the two hearts that you're drawing, you know what I'm saying? That'll be an easy way for y'all to draw y'all bones. Yes indeed. How to figure it out, I know you can figure it out too. Take your time, make sure you take your time. You gotta be focused, laser focused. You don't wanna mess up nothing. If you mess it up, I told you, go ahead and get the acetone, but the acetone won't be here. You probably erase your whole project. On to the next nail. Start at the top again. Bring it down, draw that ball. Yeah, another one. Make sure you get it right. Watch them cuticles, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to get it on your cuticles. Get it on your cuticles, like I said, go get that acetone. Can't go wrong with that acetone. Just don't inhale, that shit's strong though, man. Don't inhale it. That shit is strong. You might want to wear a mask while you working on that. On to the next one, man. My baby doing her thing, man. Day 20, which I think day 21 should be about. Like I said, comment below what's your favorite Halloween movie. If y'all didn't see her do it yet, just believe it's coming. So, you know what I'm saying? Drop in the comments below what y'all want to see. And yeah, we're going to make it do what it do. Light work. If y'all fuck with ANYLAH Banks, in the comments below, please leave a fire emoji and let her know, girl, don't you stop. This shit is fire. Oh yeah. Okay, this the last nail. See how shiny that black is? Oh my god, it look like my skin, boy. Black do not crack. Unless you on that crack. Say no to drugs and make sure y'all check y'all kids' candy when y'all go trick-or-treating, man. You know what I'm saying? Folks out here crazy these days, man. They be putting goddamn drugs in the candy, sharp items in the candy. You know your fat ass be liking to eat them kids' candy. So shit, you better check it before you eat it. Yes, indeed. Okay, clear coat time. Yes, indeed. Bring it downtown. That's where you get the real glam at it, you real shine, and Ain't no going back after that. If you mess up, you just mess up, I believe. But yeah, watch them cuticles. Watch them cuticles. You don't want your hand looking like no goddamn monster, glue monster. So yeah. Boo, yeah. Look at that shine. Look at that shine. Oh my God, girl. I think she should be giving away some of these nails, you know what I'm saying? I believe whoever be the biggest fan of ANYLAH Banks should get a free lifetime sets of nails. What y'all think, man? I think that's fair. I think that's fair. I'm pretty sure she got a giveaway coming up soon too. So y'all make sure y'all share this video. And make sure y'all like and subscribe, man, because the video gonna be, the giveaway gonna be live. I don't know what I'll be saying sometime, but my mind be everywhere. Yeah. The clear coat, clear coat, clear coat. Damn, how much clear coat you gotta put on there? Make sure you come down with it, even it out, spread it out nice. You gotta sit back, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, the bone nails. If y'all fucking with this, man, give it thumbs up about 5-10 times. You know what I'm saying? Go create about 5 different YouTubes and give it some more likes, man. How you do that there, man? Make sure my girl win out here. Cause can't nothing stop her anyway. We gonna win regardless, baby. But until next time, man, we gonna see y'all later. Day 21 coming soon.